Build your brand new home on 4.29 air conditioner in Huntersville. This home can have 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3.5 to 4 baths, 4,015 to 6,500 square feet, you decide. The Charlotte is being offered by Caruso Homes, or bring your own builder. It offers an open floor plan with large island and gorgeous kitchen. First floor 10-foot ceilings, 2-story ceilings in the family room, primary bedroom on main floor, walk-in closets and screened-in porch is available. Second floor has a large open loft, 3 bedrooms, one with its own full bath and the others share a convenient Jack and Jill. Beautiful elevations to choose from. The lot is located with easy access to Charlotte and Huntersville, but yet it is very private and quiet. Connections to city sewer are available and well is optional.